You think you are a nice person? You pay the rent. You buy the expensive salmon pay. You scoop the poop. But according to feline psychology, you are probably an emotional bully. Cats are sensitive creatures. Beneath that I don't care attitude, they are actually soaking up your emotional vibes like a sponge. And there are 7 specific things you do every single day that hurt their feelings. Today, we are fixing your relationship. Welcome to Weepy and Wacky Psychology. Mistake number 1, the walk by. You come home from work. You are tired. You walk right past your cat to put your keys down. To you, it's nothing. To your cat, you just said you were invisible to me. A study from Oregon State University showed that cats form attachment styles just like human toddlers. When you leave, they get anxious. When you return, they need reassurance. If you don't say hello within the first 3 seconds of entering the door, you are destroying their security. You don't have to throw a party. Just a slow blink and a hello, sir, is enough to tell them they are still part of the family. Number 2, the red dot of depression. We all love the laser pointer. It's funny watching them scramble. But science says you are actually torturing them. Hunting releases dopamine in a cat's brain. They need the catch and the kill to complete the cycle. With a laser, there is no kill. There is only frustration. It's like someone handing you a lottery ticket that says winner, and then ripping it up in your face, over and over again. If you use the laser, you must end the game by letting them catch a physical toy. Give them the closure they deserve. Number 3, touching the forbidden fluff. Your cat rolls over. They show you their belly. You think it's a trap. Actually, it's a test.
Hey, that's my hand.
When a cat shows you their stomach, they are saying, I trust you enough to expose my most vulnerable organs. When you immediately tickle that belly, you are betraying that trust. You are proving that you cannot be trusted with their secrets. Most cats hate belly rubs because their hair follicles there are hypersensitive. It literally hurts. So look but don't touch. Number 4, forcing them to say hi to grandma. Your friends come over, your cat is hiding, you drag them out from under the bed saying, oh, he's friendly. No, stop it. Cats rely on environmental control. If they cannot choose when to interact, their cortisol levels spike. By dragging them out, you aren't making them social. You are making them feel trapped. Let them hide. If your friends want to see a cat, tell them to watch YouTube. Number 5, your house smells like a chemical factory. You love your ocean breeze scented litter and your vanilla cupcake candles. Your cat hates them. A cat's nose is 14 times stronger than yours. Scented litter doesn't smell like clean to them. It smells like a porta potty covered in cheap cologne. Strong, artificial scents mask their own pheromones, which makes them feel insecure in their own territory. If you want a happy cat, learn to love the smell of nothing. Number 6, staring. You think you are gazing lovingly into their eyes. They think you are challenging them to a cage match. In the animal kingdom, prolonged eye contact is a threat. It means I am about to attack. If you want to say I love you, you have to squint. Do the slow blink. It is the universal sign of peace. If you stare at them with wide eyes, don't be surprised when you get slapped. And finally, yelling no 10 minutes too late. You come home, you see a vase on the floor. You yell at the cat. The cat has absolutely no idea why you are screaming. They broke that vase an hour ago. To them, you are just a random lunatic who yells for no reason. Cats cannot connect punishment to a past action. You're just damaging your bond. Unless you catch them in the act, keep your mouth shut and buy a cheaper vase. So, stop being a bully. Say hello. Throw away the scented candles and blink more. If you want to be a better roommate to your feline overlord, subscribe to Weepy and Wacky. See you next time.